colors. Orange.
Orange. These are orange fabrics in the sun.
Brown.
Brown. The brown horse stands in cold weather.
Pink.
Pink.
What color is the boy's shirt? It is pink.
Blue.
Blue.
What color is this lobster? It is blue.
Orange.
Orange.
Brown.
Brown.
Pink.
Pink.
Blue.
Blue. It.
Do. He. It. Do.
He. In.
Is. Me.
Common animals.
Sheep.
Sheep. Sheep. A group of sheep is called a flock. Duck.
Duck. Duck.
Ducks paddle in water with their webbed feet.
Dog.
Dog. Dog. Dogs have a good sense of smell. Bird.
Bird. Bird.
Birds lay eggs in nests. Sheep.
Sheep. Duck.
Duck. Dog.
Dog.
Bird.
Bird.
Fist. Fist. Fin. Fin. Farm. Farm.
Words start with F.
Fog. Fun. Fish.
Foot. For. Fruit.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Fantastic! Bird.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Great job!
Sheep.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
You did it!
Duck. Choose the word that goes with the picture. That is right. Pink.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. Awesome!
Blue.
Choose the word that goes with the picture. You did it!
Dog.
Which one is?
In.
Can you pick out?
In.
Awesome!
Can you pick out?
Do.
Can you pick out?
Do.
Great job!